No shock fiber versus Beltron fibers. These are used in textile industry for performance based fabric or workwear textiles. We will discuss about the composition of these fibers, physical properties, chemical properties, end use and resistance to acid alkalis. When we discuss about the origin of these fibers, no-shock fibers are produced by various companies as anti-static fibers, often by incorporating conductive or anti-static material into the polymer during the production. So this is basically anti-static fiber. Beltron is typically produced by Mitsubishi Chemical. It is known for its high performance conductive properties due to inclusive of conductive material within the fibers. Composition, when we discuss about the composition, no shock, it is usually made of polyester or a nylon based combined with conductive material, often carbon based or metal coated fibers which help dissipate the static electricity. While for the case of Beltron, often composed of polyester infused with conductive materials such as carbon black or other conductive additives, offering permanent anti-static properties. So the difference with respect to composition is no shock is polyester based or nylon based, while Beltron is composed of polyester or carbon based. For the purpose of physical properties, no shock is lightweight and flexible, similar to standard polyester or nylon, but with the additive anti-static properties. While the Beltron is similar in feel to the polyester, but typically more durable and smooth, ensuring comfort when used in textiles. When we compare the chemical properties of these fibers, no shock is resistance to various chemicals but may degrade faster than Beltron in harsher chemical environment or in concentrated chemicals. While Beltron is known for higher resistance to chemical interaction due to its conductive additives offering greater stability in different chemical environment or in high concentration of chemicals. Next proper is the difference with respect to tensile properties. No shock provides decent tensile proper strength but may not perform as well under extreme stress compared to Beltron. But Beltron is high tensile strength which enhances durability and make it suitable for industrial applications. So Beltron is superior in tensile properties as compared to no shock. As in the same way, Beltron is superior in chemical resistance properties as compared to no shock. Performance properties, no shock. It is effective in dissipating the static electricity, making it suitable for anti-static applications in clothing or industrial textiles. While Beltron is superior conductivity, ensuring excellent static dissipation and even some level of EMI, electromagnetic interference, shielding beneficial for specialized applications. So the performance properties of Beltrons are superior, greater as compared to no shock fiber. Resistance to acid, alkalis, and ultraviolet. In case of nylon, generally resistance to mild acids and alkalis with moderate UV resistance. On the other hand, Beltron is better acid and alkali resistance and also has higher UV resistance, making it more suitable for outdoor applications and harsh environments. When we discuss about the end use applications of these fibers, no shock, it is used primarily in workwear, industrial textile, and clothing where static control is important. Electronics manufacturing. While Beltron is commonly used in high-end functional textiles, workwear, and even medical and electronics applications where both static control and durability are essential. So, Beltron has high end use applications with respect to functionalities. The question arises, which is better in terms of performance properties, either Beltron or the no shock? When we discuss this comparison, Beltron is generally considered superior to no shock in terms of overall performance. As we have discussed in earlier slides, as Beltron is superior with respect to tensile properties, with respect to acid resistance, with respect to chemical resistance, with respect to alkali resistance, and with respect to ultraviolet resistance, Beltron has superior properties of performance. This is because Beltron offers better durability, stronger anti-static properties, high resistance to chemical and UV, and greater tensile strength, as this point we have already discussed in initial slides. Next is the conductive additive in Beltron make it suitable for more demanding applications, including those in electronics, automotive, and aerospace industries where reliable static dissipation and chemical stability are critical. In the end, Beltron is often preferred for high performance applications due to its robust properties and enhanced durability, particularly in environment where long-term static control, resistance to alkalis, and UV protections are required. So I hope by this lecture your concept about Beltron and no shock should be very clear. As we have already discussed with respect to composition, no shock is made of polyester or nylon based combined with conductive material, while Beltron is composed of polyester infused with conductive materials such as carbon black or other additives. So this was the overview of no shock and Beltron fibers.